इस वीडियो में हम मेनली बात करेंगे ऑपरेटर्स के बारे में, थोड़ा सा मैथ और स्ट्रिंग के बारे में और बूलियंस के बारे में कि बेसिक आइडिया हो जाएगी किस तरीके की चीज़ों को यूज़ करते हैं यूजिंग डिफरेंट वेरिएबल्स डिफाइन करके अब उनको यूज़ कैसे करते हैं उसके लिए क्या होता है। मेनली वी हैव these five kind of operators: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, logical operators. So arithmetic operators say what you think. They would be mainly plus, minus, divide, multiply, right? We have some which we'll be discussing. Let's start from this. Like if I have a number, I do this, and I have int the answer is equals to or plus or let's just do this comes down and what it will answer. Let's see. See. Now another one which we have is minus. For minus I have to do 1 first. Then also do this. Where integers can be. Now this will divide. We're ready to y 0 because this is the a. I would have this double here. Because here we only take the quotient. For remainder, we need another operator. This right percentage, which is reverse the remainder. There another which we have like plus answer. It mainly increments the value of 11 and same goes with minus. Okay, and then one thing like you can add these after. You see, still 6. But if I do number, you will see that that's 7. But then why? Because what happens in increment number? If I have added these before and first decremented, this number is first decremented, then say the answer. But if I do it afterwards, what happens? First, the number is assigned to this, and then it's the difference of operators. Now let's move on. Then we have assignment operators. We have mainly many kind of assignment operators. Then what do you think assignment operators will exactly? Where we are assigning one value of the variable to the another variable which is just assignment operator. If is equal to I am assigning a value this which is an integer. Duration and initialization is equal. Second is equal to 4. Because it plus only this line is equal to plus 4. Just same goes for minus, divide, multiply, and another one is for modulus as well. Which the remainder is 5 into 2 would be 10 and the remainder would be 2. right? And moving forward, we also have some bitwise operators with assignment. So once I'm done with comparison and logic, then we'll discuss about bitwise and then we'll talk about bitwise and assignment. Comparison operators. Obviously, as they sound comparison operators. So if I have two numbers, and I do greater than number 2, returns false or Boolean operator. Boolean false or true. So is 6 greater than 2? Obviously not, it returns false. It would be smaller than 2, right? Then we also have equal to, like we also checking if it equal to or greater than. Then we have greater than equals to false or it will be 8. And what if I only want to check if it's equals to? Mainly we use these when we start writing if condition. We start working on if and statements and little loops you understand why we do. And for this we also have even not equals to. Then we have now we have logical operators. Logical operators are looking at starting and or not. What we do, I check it 5 is stronger than 6. 5 is stronger than 7. And then I write 7 greater than 8. If it is false, because in both of these conditions, one condition is wrong. If both of these conditions would be correct, like true, it would be written true. And there's another one, it's called or. It returns true because one of these conditions, right? Or runs when any of the conditions are true. And another one is not, when we checks all of it. Or not. What it does, it checks that when if the value is true and the opposite side. Like if I just do this true here, it will be showing me false. If I do false, it returns true. Okay, so this mainly is used where I want to check a condition, like if that value is there, how once we start additional statement should be. And last one is mainly what's left is bitwise operators. So first bitwise. Now let's start with bitwise operator. In this mainly we are trying to tell the compiler to see these as byte numbers, not the real natural stuff numbers which we use in our regular life, right? Obviously the computer will have a different angle of seeing things. And it sees things in binary, right? Obviously we could be seeing that. Still AI. See? What if I do 5? It's cool. How it is possible, right? This is possible. This definitely. So let's start it here. For 12 minutes. 12 minutes, 110. Okay. And what does 5 mean? 5 means 0, 1, 0, 1. So if I do AND on this, like 0 or 1, do I have one on both of the numbers? No. So what I'll be think it's 0. Second one, 1 and 1. If I do 1 and 1, what do you think would be the answer? Would be 1 definitely, right? So 1. Same for 0, then 0, 1 is 0. What is 0, 1, 0, 0 in bytes? It's 4. Now you need to know how to convert it. And this is not mostly regular time. For start purposes, and moving forward, we have some like not one. Okay. Oh, sorry. So in this one, same logic, but I have to think it as of also it would be 1, 0, 0, 0. Or then also we have right shift and left shift. So in that we'll be shifting this one to right, one to left. So the done with this left equals to this. Another one is this. You guys can try. Okay. There you go. That's it for the operators. Let's move forward.